What is up, my shrimps? This is video 2 of the Rainforest. Last one I was just explaining what I'm doing here. 3 hours I'm going on my flight. It's about 7 here. Flight's at 10:30. I get in to Memphis at what was it? Yeah, 1:30ish. So anyway, that's what I'm going to be doing. And in the rainforest still, it's huge mountains, like it's insane. So anyway, you may or may not be able to hear me just because of the running water, but so anyway, I'm just walking. Oh, and earlier on, when I came here, I saw this thing called a mongoose. Have you guys heard of it? But anyway, I saw one. And then it ran off from me. I was going to try to catch it on camera, but it ran off. And I will inform you if there's a poison dart frog or anything. But so there was a couple. Don't really want to disturb them. So we can go on for another silent commentary until they pass. So I'm gonna go back this way, stay silent so they don't think I'm weird talking to my phone. So anyway, hold on. They are swimming in the river. How lovely. Wow, more people. Anyway, so this is the rainforest. Oh, I have 2 other vlogs I'm gonna put up. One, so I'm on this mountain. I'm doing this thing called the Maui downhill. It's like this biking down, like a 40-something mile downhill down this mountain called Haleakala. Oh, and it is actually the tallest mountain in the world, but it's only like, I don't know, like 10,000 something feet above sea level, or whatever it is. But from top to bottom, it's like 300 meters or feet, whatever it is, higher than Mount Everest. So, anyway, there's a fun fact for you. But, yeah. So, the rainforest. Nice place. Oh, and for those of you that don't know, there has been one person asking me a lot. I'm not gonna say his name, but I'm gonna say I'm on the island of Maui. Cool place. So, anyway, it's been a long, fun 10 days in Maui, but like all good things, it came to an end. It's very sad. But when I get home, I might still not post any videos Saturday or Sunday, because I'll be going to one last place. I'm going back to Louisiana just for a couple days. I might. I'm not sure yet. I think I already came from this way. Pretty sure. Yeah, I did. Wow, it goes in a circle. That's interesting. I've already come this way. I didn't show this on camera. Oh, wow. It's kind of small. Let me see. Yeah, I've already been here. Wow. It's interesting. Yeah, because I went down there. But, yeah, look at that. That's Pretty cool. Huge mountains. Rock climbing at its finest. But, so anyway. Oh, and that's cars over there. Anyway, what was I saying? Oh, yeah. So, today's, let me see, Thursday? Yeah, Thursday. And 5-hour layover. I mean, not, wow, I'm just not good with words today. Okay, so, hold on. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye, and bye.